Hello and welcome to Luther College Food Technology Room.
And welcome to Teen Chef. My name is Zara.
And I'm Nathan. Together we are creating gourmet chicken quesadilla, an easy recipe you can make at home or after school.
Today we are making quesadillas. A quesadilla is a flour tortilla or a corn tortilla filled with a savory mixture containing cheese, other ingredients and or vegetables, and then folded in half to form a half moon shape.
This dish originated in Mexico. Today we are making 2 large quesadillas, one for you and one for me. We need
some shredded barbecue chicken. You can buy this from the deli, at the supermarket, or you can use leftovers from your roast. We also need some baby spinach leaves, some tasty cheese and feta cheese, and for the guacamole we need some avocado, lemon, and cayenne pepper. We also need 2 large tortillas. Our first step is to juice the lemon.
And while she's doing that, I'll take the avocado out of the skin. Now I'm going to mash the avocado.
And I'll add some of the lemon to the avocado mixture and also the cayenne pepper. We're making the guacamole.
So now we're going to put it together. Spread the guacamole over half of the tortilla. Now we add the chicken. And then the tasty cheese. And then the feta. And finally we add the spinach leaves. And then fold it over. And then we put it into the cafe press.
You know it's ready when the tortilla is golden brown.
Zara, would you like to cut it? And there we have our gourmet chicken quesadillas.
A quick and easy recipe that you can make at home, after school, or at lunch on the weekend. That's all we have time for today. I'm Zara.
And I'm Nathan. and you've been watching Teen Chef on Today's Schools.